Good morning, students. I hope you all are good. So, today we will start with our new chapter, chapter 11, cooking food. In our earlier chapter, food, we learn about different kinds of food like energy giving food, protective food, and bodybuilding food. In this chapter, we learn about various methods of cooking food. So, our learning objectives are in which form do we take food, and second is what are the various ways of cooking food. So, first we will discuss in which form do we take food. There are some food items that are eaten raw. All fruits and some vegetables can be eaten raw. Other food items like wheat, rice, pulses, and vegetables need to be cooked before eating. So, the example of raw food are all fruits and some vegetables, and example of cooked food are wheat, rice, and vegetables. Cooking makes food soft and tasty. Cooking also kills germs present in food items. Different food items can be cooked in different ways to make a variety of dishes. Here you can see some examples of raw food and cooked food. All fruits and some vegetables can be eaten raw. Next is cooked food. Wheat, rice, pulses and vegetables need to be cooked before eating. Now we will discuss about various methods of cooking food. Students, do you know what is cooking? Cooking is the art of preparing food for consumption with the use of heat. Now we will discuss about various methods of cooking food. First of all, we will discuss cooking with the help of water. Boiling and steaming are the two methods of cooking where we use water. First of all, we will discuss about boiling. In this method, food is boiled in water till it is soft or cooked. You must have eaten boiled rice many times. We boil potatoes and then make aloo tikki or aloo parathas, etc. Pulses are also cooked by boiling in water. Now, second is steaming. In steaming, food is cooked by the heat of steam. Water is boiled in a container till steam comes out of it. The heat cooks the food placed over boiling water. And some examples of steamed food are idli and momos. Here in this picture you can see the images of boiled food and steamed food. Potatoes are cooked by boiling. Many food items can be cooked by boiling like rice, pulses, potato, etc. In the second image you can see momos. Momos are cooked by steaming. By steaming we can cook many food items like idli, dokla and momos, etc. Now we will discuss about cooking without using water. Baking, roasting and frying are the three methods of cooking where water is not used. So first we will discuss about baking. We need a gas oven or a microwave oven or a tandoor for baking. The food is cooked by using dry heat of oven or tandoor. Bread, biscuits, cake, pizza and naan are cooked by baking. Second is roasting. Roasting is very similar to baking. In this method, the food is directly placed over the fire. We roast vegetables, chicken, fish and paneer in an oven or a tandoor or on burning coal. Here you can see some examples of baked food and cooked food. Bread, biscuits, cake, pizza, etc. are cooked by baking. Next is roasted food. Chicken, fish and paneer are cooked by roasting. So these are the examples of baked food and roasted food. Now we will discuss about frying. Oil is taken in a frying pan and heated. Food is fried in hot oil till it is cooked. We fry cutlets, pakoras, samosas, etc. People also make fried fish, fried chicken, etc. Here you can see the image of fried food. We fry pakoras, samosas, puris, etc. And all these are examples of fried food. I hope you all understood today's topic. Thank you and have a nice day.